Dogecoin is forecasted to grow 13.5% by March 1, according to Gov Capital Collector. Before we begin, let's take a moment to look at the chart. Based on the latest data, Dogecoin has lost 10% since yesterday and is now near $0.08905. Let's dive into the analysts' expectations. CoinDataFlow expects the price to descend to $0.08438 by March 1, dropping roughly 5.2%. 30 Rates expects Dogecoin could approach $0.0904, an estimated move higher of 1.6%. Cryptonization highlights the possibility of reaching $0.09345, an upward move of about 5%. Another outlook from Gov Capital Collector sees Dogecoin advancing to $0.10096, a rise of approximately 13.5%. To conclude, Crypto Predictions puts the target at $0.1091 by March 1, a gain of 22.6%. It's the most rewarding forecast in the list. 5 calls are in for tomorrow. Let's go further. Let's explore what each forecast could mean in numbers. From the full spread of predictions, the potential movement in price lies between a decrease of 5.2% and an increase of 22.6%, depending on the analyst. After comparing all 5, Crypto Predictions leads with 22.6% gain in value by tomorrow. Looking at the numbers, you could earn between $16 and $226 for every $1,000 you invest. From a volatility standpoint, 30 Rates' forecast is the most probable, showing a 92.8% likelihood of being correct. From the 5 independent forecasts, I've derived one consensus scenario. Consensus expectations put Dogecoin near $0.09566, indicating mild upward momentum. Now, let's dive into it. The consensus outlook indicates a 7.5% rise in price by tomorrow. Simply put, your capital could also expand by around 7.5% as a reflection of that change. On a 1,000 example, that could work out to around $75 in potential profit, which adds up to a probability of about 40.1% for the consensus forecast to hold true. To continue, let's look at the market's short-term path for the 3-day horizon, according to analysts. According to CoinDataFlow, the market is likely to trend downward. Dogecoin may advance, 30 Rates also notes. The outlook from Cryptonization similarly shows the price climbing further. Dogecoin is likely to advance, meanwhile Gov Capital Collector notes. Likewise, Crypto Predictions sees the price heading upward in the days ahead. The consensus outlook highlights Dogecoin advancing on a rising path over the 3-day period. So, when all forecasts are considered, the majority outlook highlights Dogecoin moving in an upward direction. 5 forecasts appeared 2 days back. Now we can compare them with the actual price. In the end, the daily session finished at $0.0934. Yesterday showed that just a minority of analysts matched the trend. Crypto Predictions stood out with the sharpest prediction. Let's piece it together. 2 forecasts were inside yesterday's candle. For ROI performance, several analysts finished above zero, and Crypto Predictions had the highest return of 6.4%. Here's the daily overview, a simple summary of all results. In the final stats, digital coin price posted minus 5.9% ROI and 9,550,720,038 accuracy. Look closely and see if your pick matched the real outcome. Let's see how tomorrow's forecasted returns compare between Dogecoin and a few other coins. Among all forecasted returns, Dogecoin comes out on top with 7.5%. Here we're showing just 5 coins for now, while the complete comparison of potential returns among many cryptocurrencies will also appear on my site and Telegram channel. You've watched it all. Thank you. If you found it useful, drop a like before you leave. Talk to you in the next one.